Díagwit, agus fáilte Rash. I'm off on my travels again, and this video will be coming to you from New York City. I've just arrived here in Newark International Airport. If you want to learn more about Irish, some words and phrases, then why not subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, the Irish for New York is Nua Aurc. And I'm here just to do a little bit of shopping and of course some sightseeing. Caithfidh mé a rá go bhfuil mé ag tanú go mór leis. I have to say, I'm really looking forward to it. Caithfidh mé a rá go bhfuil mé ag tanú go mór leis. I'm here on the rooftop viewing gallery in the hotel in New York. The Irish for hotel is Óstán. And the Irish for skyline is Spéirlíne. A building is Furganmh, and a tall building is Furganmh Ord. Tá an áit seo timpealathe ag Furganmh Orda. This place is surrounded by tall buildings. Tá na Rairgna an áit seo doch creide. The views from this place are spectacular or unbelievable. And we have a great view here now of my favourite building in New York, which is the Empire State Building, which is right here, so we have a wonderful view from the rooftop gallery of that magical building. Is even on Rairg A. It's a beautiful sight. Is even on Rairg A. I'm here at Grand Central in New York, and it's very busy here, and it reminded me of the very many ways there are in Irish to say it's busy. So for example, you could say ganohach, tá sé ganohach, which is one way of saying it's busy. Or you could say tá sé dubh le daoine, it's black with people, tá sé dubh le daoine. You could also say it's alive with people, bio le daoine, or bio le tuarasóirí, which is alive with people or alive with tourists, tuarasóirí being tourists. Or you could just say tá sé plódathe an seo. It is packed here, or it is busy here. Tá sé plódathe an seo. Féach an sin. Tá Macy's trasna an bhór. Look there, Macy's is across the road. Shopping more a bhfuil clúar ar fud an down. And the department store that is famous throughout the world. Shopping more a bhfuil clúar ar fud an down. Let's go take a closer look now. Macy's is famous for its fantastic window displays, as you can see here. The Irish for window display is Taspáinteas Fuinneoige. Taspáinteas Fuinneoige. And as you can see, they're designed with such creativity and imagination. Tá siad ar taspáint go hálíonta. Tá siad ar taspáint go hálíonta. They are designed artistically, or they are designed imaginatively. So I'm about to go into Macy's now. We'll have a quick look around inside. Níl ach cúpla seachtain go nullig. There's only a couple of weeks to Christmas. Níl ach cúpla seachtain go nullig. Tá na siopaí ag olbhú don nullig. The shops are preparing for Christmas. Tá na siopaí ag olbhú don nullig. Gan 1 hours tá scetamíní san air. Gan 1 hours tá scetamíní san air. So without any doubt, there's magic or excitement in the air. I'm here on one of the many New York subways. The Irish for subway train is Train Fui Hollow. Train Fui Hollow. And the Irish for subway station is Stáisiún Traenach Fui Hollow. Is fearlam tastal an train. I prefer to travel by train. Is fearlam tastal an train. Tá ceangal má traenach idir an cathair sin agus cathaircha eile, agus freisin timpeall na cathairc. The city has great train links with other cities and also within the city itself. Tá ceangal má traenach idir an cathair sin agus cathaircha eile, agus freisin timpeall na cathairc. And two words I would use to describe the New York subway is áisiúil agus saor. Áisiúil means convenient or handy, and saor means cheap or affordable. Áisiúil agus saor. I'm here in Times Square now, and it's quite an appropriate place to use some of the words and phrases we had earlier, such as plódatha, which is packed, and Viola Dina, which is alive with people. It certainly is that here in Times Square. Tá atmosphere dríochtúil ann. The atmosphere is magical here. Tá atmosphere dríochtúil ann. Because Morris sold it, as you know, Morris sold it, nua áirc an chathair nach den ein stad uirthi riamh. New York is the city that never sleeps. An chathair nach den ein stad uirthi riamh. So thanks for following my journey through New York. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another one. Slán go fóill.